Hi guys, are you interested in how to clear up cache and data on your device Samsung Galaxy A05S? If yes, today I will show you how to do it. Our first step to do this is from main menu. We must swipe up the screen and go to the settings. In it we look for apps selection right there. In it we look for application which we want to clear. In my case it will be calculator maybe. And there we go to the storage. There we can clear our cache by press on that, but I don't have cache right there. I must change application from Google Chrome maybe, or something like clock. And again storage, and there we can clear only cache by that, by press that, and we don't have cache right there right now. And we can clear data like this one, clear data, clear, and we clear our data too in our clock application. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.